Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products for your pets. Today, we have a game changer for all you aquarium enthusiasts out there. If you have a 125-gallon tank, you'll want to pay close attention because we found the best aquarium heater for your setup. This is the Hitauing Aquarium Heater, available in various wattages to suit your tank size. We've been testing this heater for the past 3 months, and we're excited to share our findings with you. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the key features that make the Hitauing Aquarium Heater stand out from the rest. The Hitauing Aquarium Heater is designed with rapid heating in mind. It uses a stable nickel-chromium heating wire that quickly and evenly distributes heat throughout your tank. You can easily set and monitor the temperature in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, with a temperature range of 63 to 94 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety is paramount when it comes to aquarium heaters, and the Hitauing heater has got you covered. It features an intelligent temperature and water sensor system, which automatically stops heating when the water level is low or if it exceeds your preset temperature. The indicator light turns green in both cases, ensuring the safety of your aquatic friends. The heater's construction is impressive, featuring explosion-proof quartz glass and a high-temperature resistant nickel-chromium heating wire with silicon carbide heat conduction. Not only does it heat water faster, but it's also built to last. The sturdy black shell is made of high-temperature resistant ABS material, adding an extra layer of protection for your fish and aquatic life. Monitoring the temperature is a breeze with the external IC temp controller. It displays the water temperature in both Fahrenheit and Celsius with 2 red LED digits. Setting the temperature is simple. Just press the button until it reaches your desired setting. The Hitauing Aquarium Heater is versatile and suitable for various aquatic environments, including fish tanks, aquariums, and small fish ponds. It comes with strong suction cups for easy installation on tank walls or the bottom, ensuring it stays fully submerged. Now, let's talk about our experience with the Hitauing Aquarium Heater over the past 3 months. We tested this heater on a 125-gallon tank, and it performed admirably. It maintained a stable and accurate temperature, creating a comfortable environment for our aquatic pets. Setting up the Hitauing heater was a breeze, and the external digital controller made it convenient to adjust and monitor the temperature without getting our hands wet. We were particularly impressed with the build quality. The heater's construction, including the explosion-proof quartz glass, gives us confidence that it will last for a long time. So, in conclusion, if you have a 125-gallon tank, the Hitauing Aquarium Heater is a must-have. It combines rapid heating, safety features, and durability, making it the best aquarium heater for large tanks. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experience with this product, leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.